Walaupun kita telah mencapai banyak perkembangan positif dalam usaha memerangi wabak COVID-19 ini, usaha kita masih belum berjaya sepenuhnya. PKPB akan disambung lagi.
As you all know, the Malaysian government has extended the CMCO, so you know what that means. We are all not allowed to balik kampung this year. We're all gonna miss out on those juicy beef rendangs and all those tasty Kuih Raya. Since I've been craving for some Kuih Raya myself, I've decided to make my own, and I'm excited about this. Let's go.
Alright, since I suck at baking, let's look for a Kuih Raya that is easy to make and uses less ingredients. This one looks perfect. Honey cornflakes. Let's go. You only need 4 ingredients to make honey cornflakes. The ingredients are sugar, honey, cornflakes, and butter. And of course, additional sprinkles for the finishing touch. So the first thing you do, you melt down around 125 grams of butter. Stir it and let it melt. Next, you add up 100 grams of honey into the butter. Stir it occasionally. And then add up 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. It can be brown sugar as well. Now stir the mixture until it is even. Now pour down your cornflakes into a bowl. It is advisable to crush your cornflakes to make it easier for you to put in the paper cups later. Alright, next, you pour the mixture into the bowl of cornflakes. Now you want to make sure that all the cornflakes are coated with the mixture. Just keep stirring until it is all coated. Now place the paper cups on the oven tray. Time to scoop out the honey cornflakes and fill it up in the paper cups. Next, you add up the sprinkles for the finishing touch. Now we're all set to put it in the oven. And we bake it at 170 Celsius for 10 minutes. When it's done baking, you let it out and let it cool down for a bit before you can enjoy eating it. It's that easy and simple to make your own Kuih Raya at home.
So there you go, that's how you make your own honey cornflakes at home. To be honest, not bad for my first Kuih Raya. I'm not even lying, guys. It's so good. So I had fun making this delicious honey cornflakes. So I hope you guys can give it a try at home and have your own Kuih Raya. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys actually tried making these gorgeous babies. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Munch.
Hey guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tantalizing videos you can munch on.